How to create Among Us account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Among Us application on your device. If you don't have the app, then you can download it from your App Store or your Play Store. Now, you will be required to tap on the I agree option you see there for the terms and conditions of Among Us, and once entered, you will be required to sign in with your Apple ID, or you can also tap on the other sign in options and select some other sign in option that you want. For instance, I will sign in using my Apple ID. Once signed in, you will be required to enter your age for age verification, as Among Us only allows users over 13 without parental consideration, or else you will need a parent or guardian's email for approval. Further, once you have entered your age verification, tap on the yes option you see there. You will then be required to set up your username. So go ahead and set up your username, and with this, your account has been created for Among Us. Your progress, name, and settings will now be saved under this particular username. So this is how you can create Among Us account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.